Honorable Minister, if I may deviate a bit from politics, just quickly, a case currently ongoing, Mazen Namdi Kanu's case in court. There was a protest on Monday, but he was set to open his defense yesterday, and you were listed as one of his witnesses.
Compelling witness.
Alongside a number of other notable Nigerians, so former Attorney General, some governors, former governors as well, and another minister, Dave Umahi, was listed as well. I do not know if you're aware of this and why it is that you have been listed as one of the witnesses in this case.
And if you see Nnamdi Kanu, you ask him, why did he list me? I did not go to say I want to be a witness. You are the one saying that. So if you see him, ask him, why did you list Wike as one of your witnesses?
Have you not seen it?
I'm coming. Mm-hmm. I don't list. See, you don't become a witness by reading newspaper. Mm-hmm. Nobody has served me any process. Nobody has subpoenaed me. So because I saw Wike's listed, therefore, I'm going to run helter skelter. No, you don't do that. If I am served, if I'm subpoenaed to come and give witness, or to give evidence, I must obey the court. I must appear. But not on pages of newspaper. Nobody does that.
Excellency.
And so as to why I should be listed, he who chooses me there, you should ask him the question. But if I am invited, if I'm supposed to come, go home and sleep. I will be there.
It's not any legal process.
In the premise
it's
of
not
the
any
court?
legal process.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, but I'm talking about Temokun. I was with Showore yesterday when he was arrested and he was taken to this people's office and we were together all through the day until he was detained. What happened here today? Let me just tell you what happened here today. The judiciary today, I think they were disappointed at the order of the court. They didn't inspect the court. They expected the court to either deny bail or if it's going to grant bail, to give conditions that the defendants will not be able to meet. Immediately they discovered that the bail terms were so liberal and that in the next few minutes, the defendant will be on their way home. That was why they hatched that plan. That IPO, CSP, Iliasu, Barau, came here to cause commotion. Look at my hand. When we're struggling, this is blood. Yes, he came to cause commotion. They came to activate provocation. They wanted to it is not, there is no root.
No basis whatsoever.
And for you to know that it was a planned work, a police officer who was there laughing with all of us that is also
blood on his beep. You
yes,
can see that
who said he's also a comrade. He just came, you know, with a piece of paper. We could not even accept what is inside. And we put one fundamental question that look, if Showore and all of these persons are not able to perfect their bail and they are going to be remanded, they are going to prison. Where are the prison officials? Yesterday you deceived us when we were leaving FCT command. You said we were going to see the IG. Until we saw the gate of Abattoir, IRT. So there's no, we said, where are the prison officials? At that point, you could not answer that question.
And by law,
gave signal to all of them, more than 50 people. They refunded everybody. They destroyed the food sellers table. They even abducted some people.
Yes, and by law.
Who said they were recording? Showore, look, we are not sure of his safety. We are not sure of his safety. He was refunded.
The person who has been granted bail to the prison, not at all. My name is Charles Ebe Iluobe. I'm a legal practitioner. With what I saw here today, I got so disappointed and frustrated because what we're seeing in this society, as if we're in the Gestapo society, which is not. They try to harass each and every one of us. The court has granted bail. Yes. The next thing, they brought a document and we asked, we want to see the content of this document. They insisted that no, we will not see. Let's know the place that the court has ordered that the defendant be taken to. They refused to show it to us. We insisted that that document is a public document that we had the right to see. Even Showore himself insisted that he needed to see it, and they refused. The next thing, they were warning all of us, threatening us, wanting to beat us up because we want to fight for our rights as a country.
This is the time judiciary need to prove to the world that Nigeria is not a banana republic. We are talking about court premises. Somebody,
beating people.
listen, I'm telling you that this people, this is an affront to judiciary. And when we are talking about judiciary, we are talking about the bench and the bar. We are not calling MBA. Look at a colleague that came to do his professional work.
Yes, it's stained with blood.
You stain the color with blood. We are talking about in court premises. We are a judge. You came to this court that a purported court order was disobeyed.
All right, so Mazi, Wike has accepted to be a witness for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Well, this is just going to be very, very entertaining and very, very funny. He said that if the court invite him, definitely he will answer. So, and I want to believe that other people too will answer when the court invites them. Well, this is just going to be full of suspense. Nobody knows what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu intends to ask Wike and some of other 23 persons that he has mentioned their name. And of course, he's very, very serious with that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very, very serious with the invitation that he has sent out to these persons. And then I'm sure that very soon he will start bringing them one by one for questioning. Well, this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial is going to take a different shape. Yes, from what we are seeing, it's going to take a very, very different shape and very, very surprising, in a very, very surprising way. Anyway, let's keep our fingers crossed and then let's see what it turns out to be. Share your opinion with this. Let us know what you think on the comment section.